Good morning, sunshine. So today is Tuesday. I don't even know. November 29th. I don't know. I really don't know. But where's my cat going? But I just wanted to show you guys how much I weighed today, because I said I was gonna do the weight loss series that that I intend to do on my channel. So I want to do that, and it's raining today, so I don't know how that's gonna work out with baby Madison and taking Jackson to the bus stop, because my husband went back to work today. So sad. It's bittersweet, you know, having them gone, you know, because I don't want to cry, but it's been kind of nice having them home, but at the same time, you know, he has to go to work. So yeah, but anyways, right now I'm just trying to get the hang of things, and you know, having a newborn and stuff like that. But oh god, I don't even know I'm gonna cry, but oh god, it's just been a rough day today. It's just been a rough day. My daughter's home from school sick. She has a cold. She has a really nasty cold, and I don't know where she got that from. Jackson has a headache, so I hope me giving him Tylenol will, you know, that will go away. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and show you guys how much I weigh, so stay tuned for that. 208. Yeah, 208. So yeah, that's yesterday I was 210. So today I am 208, and I don't know why I'm dropping the weight so fast, but that is 10 pounds from my pre-pregnancy weight and 26 pounds from my last weigh-in, my last pregnancy weigh-in. So yeah, that's fast, but that's good. I'll take it. So I'm gonna go get me some breakfast. Maddie's being fed right now by her sister. I need to make my bed. There's still stuffed diaper, blankets from the night. I just need to tidy up a little bit and, you know, get my day going. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. Mad. There go Mad.
Maddie
So, good morning.
Good morning.
Matty burp.
Yeah.
Okay.
By herself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did she drink all her milk?
No.
What's this? Oh, she only took 1 ounce. Jackson, don't do that over her head. Yeah, so I'm gonna
Mommy, the waffles are for later.
I'm gonna put some Pandora on, because that's the only thing that seems to get my.
Mommy,
Didn't you have waffle over here on this counter?
yeah, eat it, Dad.
I'm gonna go.
I don't want my waffle.
So this naked man is home from work.
I'm not naked.
Oh, he's not naked. He just looks naked. But anyway.
This is my biracial wife.
Oh Jesus. And I'm telling him that he needs to be on babysitting duty while I go do my nails, because they are. I need to go fill my nails before they get bad. But he don't want to babysit. But he said I could go.
Take Maddie with you. She can get her nails done.
No, I'm not having my newborns in nobody nail shop. You crazy?
I can hold her.
No, Daddy's gonna watch her.
I'm not watching her.
Yes, you are.
It's your princess.
Yes, it's Ileana is she loves to start trouble.
How long is it gonna take?
But an hour? 1 hour, babe?
Okay, go.
Yay! I'm gonna go do my nails.
Can I come with you?
No, Daddy needs you. You sure you don't need her to help with Maddie?
What's she gonna do?
Get her bottles. She knows how to do her bottles.
Daddy knows how to do a lot of.
Okay, so I can go?
Yeah, just go there before the kids get home.
Alright. I'm going to go do my nails, people.
Mommy.
What do you want, Gio?
I want a Pop-Tart.
Leave me alone. So, I am back. Go watch my messy table, my messy junky table over there. I am about to cook dinner, Giovanni. No, you had enough snack to eat. You've been snacking all day. No. So, let me find a better lighting for you guys. There you go. Ooh, is that better? I don't know. Is that better, guys? I don't know, tell me. I look crazy. My cough came back. And yeah, so I went and got my nails done. Tell me if you like them. So I got that done to my nails. Tell me if you like them.
Hi. Hi. No. Hi.
Tell me if you like it, guys, and I took them down.
No.
Because of Maddie, I don't want to scratch her or anything, so I took them down. It's now 6 o'clock. Time definitely, it's 5:58. Time got away from me. And I'm sorry I look a hot mess. I'm gonna be looking a hot mess because I don't wear makeup during the day. Cereal? No, I'm about to make dinner. Get out of my kitchen. So, I'm about to go make dinner and feed these kiddos. And Maddie's chilling with her dad. Oh, somebody save me from this boy. All he does is snack. I don't know why. I'm gonna go cook dinner and call it a day. I think I'm gonna do Vlogmas. I want to do Vlogmas, but that's a lot of work and dedication that I don't have to dedicate. But I might do Vlogmas for you guys because it will give me something to do. I think I'm gonna do Vlogmas and I'm gonna do a trailer to go with it. I don't know. But if I'm going to do it, I have to start now because December is in 2 days. 2 days, no, 1. After tomorrow? Tomorrow is Wednesday. What is my cat doing? You see the cat? I don't know what she's doing over there. I don't know what you're doing, but anyways, I need to go clean up my kitchen. Look at that boy. Look at him. Why? I'm gonna go clean up my kitchen. I don't know what they're doing over there.
Get out of me!
I don't know why. Why does my children have to be so dysfunctional? Why? Gio, why? 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 Get out the kitchen.
No.
Did this boy just said no to me? Stop playing with me, Gio. And the dog is going crazy. Seriously. I'm gonna put this camera down and go tend to my family because evidently they're going crazy. See you guys tomorrow. Don't forget. Bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and for the haters, you can go on ahead and hit the you can go ahead and hit the thumbs down button because you guys love to do that. So go ahead and do that if that's you. And comment down below, you know, talk to me. I like to talk back to you guys. So you can talk to me and I'll talk back if I feel like it. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Oh, here comes the big girl with the baby. Why you have the baby?
Because she's hungry. And where's the milk?
Why daddy gave... See? Men. I'm gonna go feed my daughter.